Ethereum value equivalent to $23.97 a coin. The present reach. $2,351, $2,397. The earlier day close. $2,359. The change was plus 38, plus 1.61%. Reverse rate. United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at $20.50. Most extreme cost $2,948, least cost $2,050. The normal for the month $2,438. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,705, change for December 32.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Initially cost at $27.05. Most extreme cost $3,313, least cost $2,499. The normal for the month $2,903. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $3,096, change for January 14.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at $30.96. Greatest cost $3,741, least cost $3,096. The normal for the month $3,357. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $3,496, change for February 12.9%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. At the outset cost at $34.96. Most extreme cost $4,065, least cost $3,496. The normal for the month $3,714. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3,799, change for spring 8.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at $37.99. Most extreme cost $4,127, least cost $3,587. The normal for the month $3,843. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $3,857, change for April 1.5%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. In the first place cost at $38.57. Greatest cost $3,857, least cost $3,181. The normal for the month $3,579. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $3,420, change for May 11.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at $34.20. Greatest cost $3,513, least cost $3,053. The normal for the month $3,317. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $3,283, change for June 4.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. At the outset cost at $32.83. Most extreme cost $3,624, least cost $3,150. The normal for the month $3,361. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $3,387, change for July 3.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $33.87. Greatest cost $3,632, least cost $3,156. The normal for the month $3,392. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $3,394, change for August 0.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. In the first place cost at $33.94. Greatest cost $3,728, least cost $3,240. The normal for the month $3,462. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $3,484, change for September 2.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at $34.84. Most extreme cost $4,241, least cost $3,484. The normal for the month $3,793. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $3,964, change for October 13.8%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for November 2024. First and foremost cost at $39.64. Greatest cost $4,291, least cost $3,729. The normal for the month $3,999. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $4,010, change for November 1.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2024. At the outset cost at $40.10. Most extreme cost $4,978, least cost $4,010. The normal for the month $4,413. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $4,652, change for December 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at $1965. Most extreme cost $2,318, least cost $1,965. The normal for the month $2,104. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $2,166, change for February 10.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. In the first place cost at $21.66. Greatest cost $2,689, least cost $2,166. The normal for the month $2,384. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,513, change for spring 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2026. At the outset cost at $25.13. Most extreme cost $2,513, least cost $2,041. The normal for the month $2,316. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,195, change for April 12.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. In the first place cost at $21.95. Greatest cost $2,724, least cost $2,195. The normal for the month $2,415. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,546, change for May 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2026. Before all else cost at $25.46. Most extreme cost $3,026, least cost $2,546. The normal for the month $2,737. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $2,828, change for June 11.1%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. Initially cost at $28.28. Most extreme cost $2,828, least cost $2,212. The normal for the month $2,562. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end